The Infinix Zero 5G is a very powerful device which sports a Helio Dimensity 900 chipset built on 6nm processor. It packs 8GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage. It also comes with 120Hz refresh rate on a Full HD Plus 1080p display that makes every touch to feel instant and intuitive. Let's not conclude yet because all these are just mere numbers. So with that, I went further to put this device through a real-life game test with a very high demanding power. It is the GENSHIN Impact, a new game with over 13GB of download data on Play Store. Let's play. This game demands more power compared to some games like Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG, Asphalt 9 and PES 2022. After the few minutes I played this game, it actually made the device very hot, but there were no much decrease in battery percentage. With such power, the Infinix Zero 5G seems like what you should buy if you are an addictive gamer and want something portable that can deliver good gaming performance for just $332 or 169,500 naira. Thank you for watching this game test. You can also check out my full review on the Infinix Zero 5G by clicking the video on your screen. Also subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to always get notified whenever I drop a new video. Thanks once again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.